With the Jason Foundation, I know you have many, but is there one particular success story that comes to mind?
We have one, and it comes from a student curriculum that came to mind. We had a young man that went through our student curriculum. We didn't present it. A teacher presents it, so they were using our material. It was sometime after him going through it that he went to the counselor and went to his teacher first, said, I'm worried about my friend. I think that he might be thinking about suicide. And the teacher said, well, why do you think that? She said, well, the training we went through, here's the things that I'm seeing. For some reason, the teacher didn't take it very seriously. He went then to the high school counselor and said, I have a problem. I'm really thinking my friend is doing this. The counselor sort of blew it off. So it might have been the way he was presenting it. I'm not sure. But he wouldn't give up. And he actually talked to his parents. Then he went back to his school and said, I'm insisting you, somebody's got to check. Really, to keep the young man quiet, they went to the young man's locker that he had a concern about, cut his lock off, went into the locker, and sure enough, the young man had a weapon in there, had a note that was a suicide note, and also had a list of students and other people that he was going to take out first before he killed himself. So just by this young man, what we're talking about, suicide awareness and prevention, not only did it help save that young man's life that he was worried about, but it probably did away with a possible tragedy, and we all know how terrible those type of school shootings are. Just by this young man being persistent, and then the counselor finally talking to the principal and going in and seeing, they took, and the young man got help.
And without that education, he might just have sat on it or been quiet.
Right. So that's probably the one that sticks out in my mind the most. Not only did it help do what we want to do, save a life, but it also disrupted something that could have touched other lives.